This is Force 13's Australian Oceania Channels live streaming service. And welcome to another update, and we start off with the latest instability. This is from 7 AM through till around 10 AM Friday. Bureau Meteorology Perth has a stronger wind warning for the Bunbury, Geograph and Leeuwin coast, and one will be in place for the Esperance coast on Friday. Storm probability case on and the tropical radar continues to show up ex-tropical cyclone 04. We have Invest 96S near Java. Super cell probability Bureau Meteorology New South Wales at 10 AM has cancelled the strong wind warning for the Bateman's coast. There are no warnings in place for the state of Queensland, Tasmania, South Australia, and the Darwin office had in place a severe thunderstorm warning, and that was cancelled at around 5:08 AM local time. Now we have a look at wind probabilities. The wind speed in knots is at the bottom of the screen, left hand side. Now we have a look at precipitation values, bottom of the screen. Each of these images are 3-hourly periods. And as mentioned, a strong wind warning for the Bateman's case has been cancelled. Now we look at the Bureau's 12-hourly rainfall. Rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen, and again it's the Northern Territory WA border region. And the music in the background is the creation of Nathan Foy, who lives over there in Manchester, United Kingdom, owner-operator of the project. And as I've mentioned previously, he is a very talented person. Now we have a look at the Bureau's total forecast of rain. The Darwin Doppler wind in the background, and just recapping cancellation of the severe thunderstorm warning for the Daly region. Pivotal weather website, GFS, total accumulated precipitation outlook. And this is the latest from the Bureau of Meteorology, released the 13th of November. Indian Ocean tropical cyclones, both hemispheres. The two cyclones straddled the equator in the Indian Ocean during the last week. No threat to the Australia region. We have cyclonic storm Bouchra, which is a tropical cyclone over the Bay of Bengal. And we also have the ex-tropical cyclone Bouchra, and that is CO4S. Now we have a look at the life of the ex-tropical cyclone CO4 up to a few hours ago. Currently located 7.3 degrees south, 91 degrees east, winds 25 knots, central pressure 1005 millibars. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has cancelled their advisories on this particular system. Force 13 will be updating 96S, which is likely to develop into a tropical cyclone. The Bureau has the percentages moderate. CO4S still has a chance of coming back for a second attempt or second go, and we also have the one up in the Bay of Bengal tracking into the Arabian Sea. The monsoon trough is located near the CO8 south, 92 east. That is where ex-cyclone CO4 is located. Central pressure is 1003 millibars and will remain slow moving. Then we go to 96S, it's 1006 millibars, located 10 south, 104 east. Now this is the NOAA floaters of CO4. Now we have a look at tropical tidbits and a couple of tracks. Within 480 nautical miles of the ex-tropical cyclone, clockwise winds 20 to 30 knots, and within 240 nautical miles of Invest 96S. Force 13 AU will continue to bring the latest information on the activity here in the southern hemisphere. However, upper level divergence remains a very healthy 40 knots where the ex-cyclone is currently located, but for investors are 96 knots strong at this point in time. Wind shear, the red is unfavourable, yellow neutral, green favourable, so very low wind shear, and a 24-hour shear tendency. So 04S is experiencing high wind shear, and the 850 millibar vorticity, you can clearly see where 04 and 96S are located. And we have a look at the GFS model on 04. Followed by the HWRF.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.